How to turn VoiceOver on or off on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on VoiceOver. On this page, turn on the VoiceOver feature at the top. As you can see, VoiceOver changes the gestures used to control your iPhone. If you're done with it, just press the side button if you want to cancel. Doing this, you get more control over how you use your device. Following these steps, you can easily turn VoiceOver on or off on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.